Check out what we just bought. This is a 2-pack of fire alarm smoke detectors, and safety is a must in all households. You should have one in every bedroom as well as in the hallway too. And these are awesome because it's a 2-pack. Now what's really cool is it can last up to 10 years on a single battery, so no battery replacement is required. And it also has 2 ways to install it, which is going to be a plus. In our case, it's going to be so easy for my husband. So this is what the back looks like. And you can twist this on and off and use screws. Or if you don't want to hassle with that, they also come with magnets with double-sided tape on either side. So all you'd have to do is stick it on, and then the magnets stick right on top of each other. How perfect is that? Let me show you close up. Here's a close-up of what the smoke detector looks like. And this is the back. Now there's 2 ways to install it. You could either use this back plate and use screws, and then to put it back, you put it like this and then you twist. Or you can use this, and this has stickers on both sides. You can just stick it onto the ceiling and then stick the other piece on to the back of this unit. And then once you install it, it'll just snap into place just like that. Perfect. How to activate. Press the test silence button and hold it for 3 seconds until the LED indicator lights up. Release the button immediately. The smoke alarm will generate a beep to indicate that it's activated. And there you go. You saw it light up, and now it is activated. This also comes with a user manual, and it's going to be very easy to install, especially for me since my husband's going to be doing it all. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.